Bangkok, a city that never sleeps, a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of tradition and modernity. The moment you step into its embrace, you're enveloped by a symphony of sounds. The honking of tuk-tuks weaving through traffic, the chatter of street vendors hawking their wares, the sizzling of street food on hot grills, and the distant echoes of laughter and conversation. It's a cacophony that somehow harmonizes into a rhythm unique to this bustling capital. As you navigate the streets, the air is thick with the scent of spices, the sweetness of tropical fruits, and the occasional waft of incense from nearby temples. Each corner you turn reveals a new adventure, a new flavor, a new story waiting to unfold. The streets are alive, pulsating with energy, and every face you encounter tells a tale of its own. The locals, with their warm smiles and welcoming gestures, invite you into their world, a world where time seems to blur and the past dances with the present. And then there are the temples, those ornate structures that rise majestically against the skyline, each one a testament to the city's rich history and spiritual heritage. The Grand Palace, with its intricate architecture and golden spires, stands as a symbol of Thailand's monarchy. It's a place where history breathes, where the echoes of royal ceremonies linger in the air. As you wander through its hallowed halls, you can almost feel the weight of centuries pressing down, the stories of kings and queens whispering through the ornate walls. The murals that adorn the palace tell tales of epic battles and divine beings, each brushstroke a glimpse into a world steeped in mythology. Just a stone's throw away lies Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, its towering spires glistening in the sunlight like jewels. The temple's intricate mosaics, made from colorful porcelain, shimmer with every step you take. Climbing its steep steps, you find yourself breathless, not just from the ascent, but from the view that unfolds before you. The Chao Phraya River snakes through the city, a lifeline that has witnessed the ebb and flow of Bangkok's history. As the sun sets, the river transforms into a canvas of gold and crimson, reflecting the vibrant life that surrounds it. But it's not just the landmarks that define Bangkok. It's the street life that breathes vitality into the city. The markets, bustling with activity, are a feast for the senses. Vendors shout out their prices, their voices rising above the clamor, while the vibrant colors of fresh produce and handcrafted goods create a kaleidoscope of sights. You can't help but be drawn to the food stalls, where the aroma of pad thai and tom yum fills the air, enticing you to indulge in the culinary delights that Thailand is famous for. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, a dance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy that leaves you craving more. As night falls, Bangkok transforms into a different beast altogether. The neon lights flicker to life, illuminating the streets with a vibrant glow. Khao San Road, a backpacker's haven, pulses with energy as travelers from around the globe converge, sharing stories and laughter over cold beers and street food. The night markets come alive, offering everything from handmade crafts to trendy fashion, all while the sounds of live music fill the air. It's a celebration of life, a reminder that in this city, every moment is meant to be savored. Yet, amidst the chaos, there are pockets of tranquility. The serene beauty of Lumpini Park offers a respite from the frenetic pace of the city. Here, locals practice Tai Chi in the early morning light, their movements fluid and graceful, a stark contrast to the bustling streets just beyond the park's borders. The lush greenery, the shimmering lakes, and the gentle rustle of leaves create a sanctuary where one can pause, reflect, and breathe. It's a reminder that even in a city as vibrant as Bangkok, moments of peace can be found if you know where to look. Bangkok is a city of contrasts, where the old meets the new, where tradition coexists with innovation. The skyscrapers that pierce the sky stand alongside ancient temples, a juxtaposition that tells the story of a city in constant evolution. The bustling markets and street food stalls exist alongside high-end restaurants and luxury shopping malls, catering to every taste and every budget. It's a place where you can experience the richness of Thai culture while also embracing the modern conveniences of urban life. And then there's the river, the lifeblood of Bangkok. The Chao Phraya flows steadily, carrying with it the stories of the city. Hop on a long-tail boat, and you'll glide past stilt houses and floating markets, witnessing the daily lives of those who call the riverbanks home. The water reflects the vibrant colors of the city, a mirror to the chaos and beauty that coexist in this urban landscape. As the sun dips below the horizon, the river transforms into a shimmering pathway, guiding you through the heart of Bangkok. In the end, Bangkok is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a whirlwind of emotions that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. It's a city that invites you to lose yourself in its streets, to immerse yourself in its culture, and to embrace the chaos that defines it. Whether you're wandering through the ornate temples, savoring the street food, or simply soaking in the vibrant atmosphere, Bangkok has a way of capturing your heart and igniting your spirit. It's a city that beckons you to return, to explore its depths, and to uncover the stories that lie waiting just beneath the surface. In Bangkok, every moment is a memory in the making, a vibrant brushstroke on the canvas of your life.